Hi guys, this is Autel Locksmith. So today I'm going to show you how to program Mercedes S500 series 2006-2013 model. So I'm going to do the add key with using Autel IM608, and this is a working key. And this one is a new one, so I'm going to add it. Let's see how to do. Go to let me read yes first. So this is W221, and let me add the key directly. Go to hot function, add key, vehicle. Okay, start. I don't have a password. Press OK to calculate password. Not after this calculation. Okay, press OK. Pull out key. Okay. So now it's getting a password. It will be take 10 to 30 minutes. Let's see how long it takes. So I'm going to stop a video here, and I will come back when it's ready. So you get the password already, and it's okay. Insert the key to the EIS, wait for 30 seconds. Okay. Generating file. Please insert the blank into the IR hole. Press OK. So key addition is complete. After press OK, check the new key if it is working normally or no. Press OK. Okay. Set the new key into the EIS. So we already start the car with the new key, and let's see. Start car with the new key, so everything is fine. And we can check the remote. Okay, it's working fine. You can see the key, it's working, so everything is fine. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.